Say hi to your new home. This beautiful property is built on a 695 square meters property land, offering captivating features such as 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a fresh and breezy front porch, a low-maintenance garden area, an electric gated ample parking space, enough for 4 vehicles, laundry space, and so much more. Welcome to Bushistraat number 1. Located in the calm residential neighborhood of Ponton, walking distance to a popular local commercial area where you will find drugstores, laundry shop, supermarket, bakery shop, hardware store, and all those amenities that will make you love this neighborhood. If you want to enjoy a movie night, then head over to what could be the TV room perfectly situated in the middle of the house, making it a lovely place for family entertainment, as a TV gaming space, or as a second dining room with access to a back patio, where you will find a cozy apartment ideal as a rental income or as a maid's room. Going up the stairs, you will find this huge bedroom with a private bathroom. This space is illuminated with natural light coming in from the windows and a convenient sliding door with access to a second floor patio. This kids-friendly family home is fully paved and fully fenced, recently renovated, and only minutes away from downtown and 7 minutes driving to one of our most popular beaches on the island, Eagle Beach. If you want to view this property or you have any questions, please give me a call, 297-560-9174. This is Cruz Marquez from Remax, Aruba. See you soon.